Hey everybody, today's rapid fire question is, what's the lowest down payment for a home mortgage? Now this question came up from one of the Facebook posts. This person received some information from probably a well-intended friend or family, or maybe it was an outdated post from Google search, but they thought that a conventional loan required at least a 20% down payment to qualify for a conventional loan. Now, as of January 18th of 2022, that is not true. For a first-time home buyer for their primary home, the minimum down payment is going to be 3%. Now, if you're not a first-time home buyer, then the minimum down payment is going to be 5% down. But again, it's not nowhere near the 20% down payment required for a conventional loan. You do need at least a 620 credit score or above to qualify for either of the products for a conventional loan. But just keep in mind that conventional loan, you don't need 20% down. Now, there's going to be PMI or private mortgage insurance tied to the loan because it is above the 80% threshold. But for a conventional loan, typically it's going to be a lot less than for an FHA. Now, if we consider an FHA, the minimum down payment, I think it's well known, is going to be 3.5% down, minimum credit score of 580 or above. So keep that in mind. And then for a VA loan, it's going to be 0% down, but there is going to be an increasing funding fee depending on the loan to value ratio. Now, if you're confused by DTI and how it impacts your rates or not, I recommend checking out the video at the end card. Click like, subscribe, comment below, ask me any questions you have. Appreciate you, thanks.